Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a super fun video where I'm doing a haul from Buryu's Forge and from Nate's Mask Shop on Etsy and Instagram. I'm super excited to show you guys what I got. I got a really awesome haul. Some really beautiful non-official pieces, non-official colorings, 3D printed pieces, custom painted pieces. I'm so excited for you guys to watch it, and if you're excited too, keep on watching. Okay, to start, we're gonna go in with my package from Buryu's Forge. We're gonna put my package from Nate's Mask Shop off to the side. So, when you open it, first you get this great business card. I cannot get over how good these are. They're like really thick and sturdy, and they feel nice, and they're really well designed, and this art is really great. Make sure you follow Buryu on Instagram. I'm going to link their Instagram and their Etsy in my description, so make sure you go follow them. So I got two items. I got a Kanohi Road, which is designed by Galva, and Gaki's Spear, designed by Vaki6. I got two of them. Now, normally, when I order from Buryu, I don't get my pieces painted, but I don't have a nice match for red, so I really wanted to get the whole experience. This set me back about $45, which is not that bad for 3D printed, painted, primed, and glossed parts. These are really good quality, and I'm happy to have paid that price. So let's go into this Mask of Truth first. This is gorgeous. You can see a little bit of gray left over so it doesn't get too stuck on the axle hole. It's so smooth, it's really glossy and reflective. You can barely see any texture. So let's see what it looks like on Kanara. That looks so good. Are you kidding me? It fits him perfectly. And the match is perfect. The mask is a little glossier than the torso and like the other red pieces, but not in a way that I mind. You can barely tell that it's not official. This looks really good. Let's try the swords. A little tough to get in there, that's okay. Gonna be gentle, I don't wanna break them. Perfect. Check that out. The person I made this for kind of wanted the weapon to be based on Tahu Nuva's lava surfboard, so I used these pieces. I thought they were the closest match to the magma spear. That's what they're called, the magma spear. So I think this looks great. And that's Kanara all complete. Look how cool he looks. And I actually have a connector on the back so we can ride the two swords like a board. He's a Toa of magnetism, so he uses his elemental power to push his Protodermis board off the ground. It's a really cool backstory. If you guys want a full video on Kanara and his backstory, comment down below. I'd be happy to start making more videos about my collection. But for now, let's get on to the next part of this haul. Okay, so now we're gonna go into my haul from Nate's Mask Shop, and I don't remember what this is, so that is really responsible of me, I think. We got the classic green bubble wrap, just like my last haul, and oh yeah. Oh my God, I'm gonna scream. Look at that. Trans purple cow. That looks beautiful. I am screaming. Oh my God, that's so beautiful. I literally am gonna go make a character with this color mask like as soon as I'm done filming this video. This is gorgeous. I don't even remember ordering this, but thank God. Let me go get a head and see what this looks like on a head. Okay, so I got a classic gray and pink head. Let's see how it looks. Fits perfect. Oh my gosh. Look how gorgeous that is. Are you kidding me?
Are you kidding me?
That is beautiful. I'm literally going to, as soon as this video is over, make a character who has this mask because I need to use this on someone worthy. The next two items I got, I do remember getting these, are these. Oh, these are gorgeous. I love purple. I love purple. These are Mata eye stalks that I got in this beautiful purple color. I don't know if it's reading correctly on camera, but it looks gorgeous in real life. I'm so excited. I got two of them. I actually have two of them that I have dyed myself, but I needed them for my character Honua. Let's match it to the original purple. The color from Nate's Mask Shop is more rich. I actually enjoy it more than the official Lego purple. And it's gonna slide right into her eyes, and that looks amazing. Let's put her mask on. Perfect. And I think her mask is also from Nate's Mask Shop now that I'm thinking about it. And that is Honua with her head all complete, courtesy of Nate's Mask Shop. Thank you so much. So, with my swords for Kanara, Kanara's Kanohi Road, the Mask of Truth, Honua's Purple Eye Stalk, this beautiful trans purple cow and an extra purple eye stalk. That is my Nate's Mask Shop and Buryu's Forge haul all complete. Thank you guys so much for watching my Bionicle haul for this week. Look how good he looks. Are you kidding me? This Mask of Water Breathing, the cow, look, I can't get over it. Come on. Are you serious? I'm super excited. Thank you so much to Buryu and to Nate for this awesome haul. I can't wait to shop from both of these places again, which will both be linked in my description. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace, y'all.